This is the alarm clock from Sylvania. It features. This is the alarm clock from Sylvania. It features a dual alarm and it features a nice radio tune-in. The radio quality is not that good. And then here's the AM. And here's the AM. So yep, here it is. And then the AM tune-in. And then the AM tune-in. So yeah. So this alarm clock is nice. I like how you can set the dimmer too. It's nice. It has 2 dimmer alarms. Hold on. What do you mean?
Supposed to go up 6, right?
Where were we going?
I don't know. Are we making a video? What?
Yeah.
Guys!
No, not yet.
Daddy said we were supposed to go to Mommy's house.
I don't think they are.
I don't think they're not. I don't think they are.
Alright, here's the alarm. Oh, hold on. Sorry guys, this kind of got messed up, so I'll let you hear the alarm in a second.
Guys? Hey, can I talk?
No, not yet.
Are you recording?
I'm doing my alarm clock.
Guys,
first.
I'm gonna hurry up. Guys, there's a tornado warning. There might be a tornado. And it's on Lantana. We live on Lantana. Like Lantana's like we're like basically like we live.
So if you're all watching this is very important.
Yeah.
Make sure you hide in the closet or something.
Next.
Or something. I don't know. Make sure you. Hopefully you don't lose power. That's the good part. All right, back to the alarm clock video. So we're gonna watch this go out. We're gonna watch this. So let's wait a moment. In a moment, you're gonna hear the alarm. So yeah. In a moment, you're going to hear the alarm.